If you think you know everything about your iPhone, think again. The smartest device on the market has hidden features that could make your life easier, entertain you, and improve your efficiency. Here are 10 tricks you may not know about your iPhone. Scene 1. Hidden Scientific Calculator. Most people don't realize that their iPhone's calculator app turns into a scientific calculator when held in landscape mode. Scene 2. Custom Vibrations. Did you know you can customize your iPhone's vibration patterns? Scene 3. Back Tap Shortcuts. A functionality introduced in iOS 14 enables you to perform actions by simply tapping the back of your iPhone. Scene 4. Text Expansion. Save time typing by creating text shortcuts. Scene 5. Siri Shortcuts. You can program customized shortcuts using Siri. Scene 6. Sleep Timer for Music. Like to fall asleep to music? Set a sleep timer from the Clock app. These hidden tricks can bring new life to your iPhone experience.